Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Alex, and I am CEO of SKYFchain project. We start talking a little bit about the old industry, which are not typical for the crypto environment. Our goal is to make the disruption in industry of logistics. The logistics is one of the keys industry around us. The whole our lifestyle, the industry efficiency, many things are based on logistics. And for this industry, the most silent revolution which happens now, it's switching to unmanned. It's a big economic challenge for whole logistics industry to switch to unmanned delivery, because this is the biggest cost cutting for that in the future. But is it industry ready for this? It's many participants who involved in that industry. It's hardware producers, clients, banks, insurance companies. It's a lot of stakeholders involved in this process. And everything is built today around the manned participation in logistics process. The operations and platform which using now is not ready for unmanned logistics. We want to build first operational platform which are specifically focused for unmanned delivery and support drones, unmanned cars, any other vehicles which can be available in market soon. But we build this not because we only understand the future of logistics. We build this based on our existing drone. We are the first in the world producer of heavy aerial cargo drone, which can lift more than 400 kilos. And this is a unique tool for logistics. We have a pool of clients, and our first clients focus us for this problem that yes, we build the first drone, we start all the operations, test it, but no software, no operational platform which can integrate the all stakeholders and the tools. And because we have drone, it's already flying, that we think it's a good opportunity to using blockchain technology to build this platform, and we set up the spin-off, SKYFchain, which focused primarily for that project. We have a very strong blockchain team which are coming to us from Kiwi blockchain technology. This is one of the biggest Russian-based financial transaction company. They have a lot of experience about build the big systems. How it works? Any transaction in system, such as mission planning, hardware certification, issuing the insurance, multimodal logistics, all of this typical transaction which millions times done around us in the whole world can be done in a SKYFchain system without involved the persons, so doing automatically and directly sending to unmanned vehicle and aerial drone. All of this transaction costs some different fiat money, depend of complexity of this transaction. But technically it requires token to burning, to switching the smart contract inside the system. So we issued 1,200,000 tokens in ICO, and this fixed amount will be circulating system the whole time. So we're not burning token when it's work. But we expect the transaction volume will be grows exponentially. It means the cost of each token goes up for next 3-5 years. But for end clients, the cost of using the system is still the same. So you pay 100 euros every time, just every time you buy less part of token in exchange. And this is a key idea of economy of the system. And for each transaction, we have 50% commission going to our nodes, super nodes, who support the distributed servers, and 25% going to wallet holders, and just 25% we have as a commission for supporting the system. But based on our calculation, it will be enough. We built the system based on our own first drone as a tools, as a unique tool, but it's initially will be open for any third party. We think our advantage is because we have a first access to client, but anyway, it's an open system, and we expect that many other third-party unmanned system will be joined to this operational platform, and the number of transactions for next 5-7 years will be growing dramatically. Why we can do this? We are not like typical startup. We have a very experienced team, serial entrepreneur, venture business, and high-tech business leader. The SKYF itself, drone project, it's built from greenfield for past 3 years. Now it's production company with own production facility and flying drones and first client. We know for our more than 25 years experience what don't need to do, and I think we can successfully build this spin-off as a new project, because I'm personally doing this many times, more than 20 times, build a new project in different high-tech sectors. Now we start pre-sales of SKYF tokens going till 1st March. In 1st March we launched the official ICO. Totally we will sell a little bit more than 500,000 tokens. The rest part from this pool will be distributed in community development fund, bounty fund, and still in the system. But as I told, the tokens never burn, so it's always circulate inside the system, and it's a fixed amount. Now we open for private deal for pre-sale. We're located in the 2nd floor, and welcome for discussion if somebody interesting. And we think, based on our previous conference participation, that the idea switching the old logistics industry to new blockchain platform, it's looks very reasonable, and sooner or later somebody do this. We hope we can big chance to be the pioneer of that and successfully deliver. Thank you.